Yo guys, it's your boy Bailey here, and today's video we're unboxing a package, and fingers crossed that it's a fidget spinner. I'm late on the trend. It took a month to come, this fidget spinner. Well, hopefully it's a fidget spinner. And yeah, I don't know what to say next. Let's open it. So I've got scissors here, I've got my package here, I'm going to feel it, and there. So first thing I see is some bubble wrap in there, and so I'm hoping for a white one with multicoloured bearings all around it, and I haven't had a look yet. Here it is. This is what I wanted, yeah? This is what I wanted, yep. They're good. Bearing. And yeah. Let's see. That's so silent. That is so silent. You can hear it. That's so silent. I don't know if you heard that, or not. But I can't do the tricks. Like, it is so silent. Oh. So this is a perfect one to bring to school, but I'm allowed them in my school, but you have to have them in your tray, which is pretty bad. And yeah, my fidget spinner. Pretty cool. Yeah. That's the end of the video. When I've charged up my tablet, and it's got a stopwatch on it. So when I've charged up my tablet, I'll show you how long it spins for. See you then.